front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Oppo smartphone. Start by accessing Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. Now scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!